Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you like a transformation video, then hopefully you're in the right place, because this cluttered space behind me, our hallway, and even further on our porch that's become another cluttered space, is about to be transformed into beautifully organised serenity. We just have the small hurdle of building a bit of IKEA flat pack furniture first, but once that's done, we're going to be in organisation heaven here, I'm hoping. So come on, I'll show you. Okay, so this is our hallway as it is now, and this used to even have boxes of shoes and things in as well. Thankfully we've moved them to the porch, but still in this space we've got this unit here. This is full of like gloves and hats and bits and bobs and all sorts, and then we've got all of these hooks around here with coats galore. Everyone's got so many coats, even though we try and rationalise them. Up there we've got more gloves, more hats, bags, lunch boxes, extra bits like that. We've even started hanging things on the windows, cycling helmets, the swimming bag, things we couldn't find another space for. It's chaos. So to overcome this chaos, we've built a porch, and it looks beautiful from the outside, I have to say, but step inside and now we've just got more chaos, because basically we didn't get around to working out what we wanted to put in the porch. We created the space. We've been living like this for about 6 months now. And as you can see, there's shoes everywhere. There's things that I've taken outside of the house to keep out of the baby's reach, like bits with the fireplace. There's kites. We've got car cleaning stuff. We've got all sorts. And it's just, once again, building up around us and has no kind of structure to it at all. And I actually found with this space, I couldn't decide what to do with it. I really just couldn't see the wood for the trees. So I enlisted the help of a lady called Vicky, who's a professional organiser. And she came in and measured up the space, had a look with me, sent me a Pinterest board, showed me some options and got me going. Finally, we've taken delivery today of this piece of furniture here, which is an IKEA wardrobe that luckily fitted perfectly in the space we have. And the thing I realised when I was looking for this is that IKEA do quite a decent range of sizes of wardrobes. So that makes it good that you can actually, they're all very customisable. You can usually find something that will fit fairly well into your space. Couple of bits from IKEA over there. This is, if you had a porch this side and you were looking for small porch solutions, then I would show you some of these because they work quite well. Luckily, we have got this big space, but like I say, we need to make it work. So we're going to put that up now and hopefully show you an amazing transformation. Now it's all clear, let's get started. So we're back where we started in what is now thankfully a clutter-free hallway, no stuff all over the floor. We've tidied up this unit. Up here we've got rid of the bulk of coats, nothing hanging on the window anymore, thankfully. I've even now found a space to store our picnic blankets, which has made me very happy. And let me show you in here. So, ta-da, here is the wardrobe in all its glory. Actually, it wasn't too painful to put up for once, probably about 3 hours, I would say, which isn't too bad for some IKEA flat pack. So we've got some space on top, as you can see here. We've got a wood basket. We've also got room to put more baskets on top if we wanted to. And inside, on the right, we've got all of our shoes. So plenty of space for a couple of pairs of shoes for everyone in here. And we can always add shelves as well, so anyone can have their own sections, which is kind of handy. And then in here, this is the ultimate storage capacity that we've got in here. So we've pretty much picked everything up and put that in here. Loads of space for coats, for gloves, for scarves. We could put a couple more of these hanging things in. You can obviously configure things like this however you want. We've managed to fit sports equipment, the car cleaning equipment, kites. We've got a booster seat in there, tons of stuff. So really happy with that. And rewinding, wasn't even sure we were going to put a wardrobe in here to start with. I had an idea of putting shelves in and all sorts of things, but I'm really happy with the way this just tucks all that clutter away. It's such a different feeling coming into a space like this. And what's also great is that we've even got space for a buggy or your Amazon deliveries or anything else in front of this wardrobe. And that was really important when we designed this space, that we didn't use up all of it and we still had room for all those kind of inconsequentials that come and go in your life and that you might need to store or have somewhere to put at some point. So the dream now is that people come in the front door, come and sit down here, take off their shoes, and then we don't have to have any shoes in the house, and especially we don't have to have any football boots in the house. And for anyone who has kids who play on AstroTurfs, you're going to know what I'm talking about now. Those really annoying microscopic bead things that you just find absolutely everywhere. They're in the kids' beds, they're in my hair, I just can't get away from them. So if we can keep them all in here, I would be very, very happy. And then of course we just need to sort out this bit as well. This isn't finished, so this bit here we've got, this is a kind of temporary solution from IKEA, might work out. Not loving this bit, but hopefully some shelving, shelf up here, a couple of hooks for the kids' school bags, and we will be living in porch life heaven. So check back and I'll update you on that very soon as well. But that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe and come back very soon. Bye bye.